So we did up until introduction to EDR. I don't have the time to do it because they just launched with the cold start event a absolute entire path, which is a bit crazy in terms of time. You have to have a lot of hours in order to finish this in time. It runs until tomorrow in order to get the tickets. One tip that I can give you, if you want to do it or just, I don't know, do it for the tickets, just watch under the rooms because not everything will give you tickets. Just that things that are marked with a ticket. So you don't have to do everything, just the things marked with a ticket in order to get the tickets for the cold start event. You can see it over here. Prizes draw 26th of January. So good luck. I don't have the time to do it, but today we will start a new room. This one, JavaScript Essentials. Learn how to use JavaScript to add interactivity to a website and understand associated vulnerabilities. This task is part of the Cybersecurity 101 learning path, but it's activated the... Alright, let's just go back to our learning path. Cybersecurity 101. It's 60% complete. And we have to go to our room. JavaScript Essentials. JavaScript JS is a popular scripting language that allows web developers to add interactive features to websites containing HTML and CSS styling. Once the HTML elements are created, you can add interactivity like validation, on-click actions, animations, and so on through JavaScript. Learning the language is equally important as the HTML and CSS. Well, yes. In today's world, if you would ask any good programmer or, I don't know, basically a very good person in the IT field that writes scripts or knows a bit of programming, they all would recommend a language like JavaScript because the web runs on JavaScript, let's say. The JavaScript are used primarily with HTML. This room is designed as an introductory overview of JavaScript, especially tailored for beginners with limited JavaScript experience. The primary focus on the teaching the fundamentals of JavaScript from a cyber perspective and how hackers utilize legitimate functionalities to achieve malicious results. Room prerequisites. These 3 rooms are already done under my channel, so you can check them by keywords. Learning objectives: understand the basic of JavaScript, integrating JavaScript in HTML, abusing dialog functions, bypassing control flow statements, exploring minified files. We have to connect to the machine because we have exercises later on. Answer the questions below. I have successfully started a virtual machine.